Hi, my name is Robin Whittmore. I'm a professor of nursing from Yale School of Nursing, and I've spent the past 4 days here at the Universidad de la Sabana in Colombia. I've come with my colleague from the School of Medicine, Rosanna, who we have provided a nursing research workshop for nurses to develop interventions to improve health outcomes. Nurses are the largest group of healthcare providers worldwide and have important roles to play in reducing health disparities and improving health outcomes and improving quality of life of patients worldwide. We have lots of documented evidence of the importance of nurses, and we need to continue to grow this evidence. So Rosanna and I have worked with a very dedicated group of nurses from Latin America who have come together. La Universidad de la Sabana has had a very good reputation in Latin American countries for the quality and the rigor of the nursing program. I've learned about this through other experiences I've had with colleagues in Mexico. And so I was very excited for the opportunity to come here to the university and see for myself the work that they're doing here. I have been very impressed with the dedicated faculty that I have worked with and their commitment to improving the health education and the nursing research of nurses here in Colombia. I didn't know what to expect as far as the university or where it was located or what the geographical area would be like, and so that has been a real treat for me to get to see this part of the world and this beautiful university that's nestled in the Andes Mountains. We've been impressed. We've had the opportunity to meet with several students here who have come from many different locations, and I'm impressed and have been excited to see the level of their commitment, again, to solving problems globally through nursing research and nursing practice.